Hello friend, today we are going to show how to download Windows 10 for free. Open Google Chrome and search Windows 10 download. First link come download Windows 10 this image ISO file Microsoft link. Going to Microsoft homepage Windows 10 download. This is a Microsoft Windows 10 download page. Windows 10 for play. About now update now. You can update your Windows here or create a Windows 10 installation media by downloading this tool. And down how to use that information is how to make a CD, USB flash drive or audio file, how to update, how to create media tool and more download options for you. Then in Windows download Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7 are available for download and other Windows software also available for download. Update now. We have to make Windows 10 download to now. Create Windows 10 installation media. Now download started 17.8 MB file. Downloading now. Finishing download. Just download finish it. Double click there. When download finish it, disappear. Double clicking running this application download to create Windows 10 installation media. Running that application for now. Application running now. And the logo comes. Getting a few things ready. This type of window open there and taking a long time for a first time. Using this installation media tool you can make a USB flash drive or make a Windows 10 CD or you can update your Windows to 10 Windows 10 for creature updates by free. If you have already purchased Windows 10 activation key you can activate Windows or you can use without activating Windows 10 for free for a lifetime, but there are some restrictions, but for normal work it's good. I have used it many times and many people use non-activating version for a free and it's illegal. It's not illegal, it's fully legal. You can use Windows 10 for a free for lifetime. But in a non-activated version there are some limitations too about taskbar, some personalization restrictions, but overall it's useful for a daily routine work. Never no problem. You can download Windows 10 App Store. You can access App Store, access various applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Insta, or play the normal game that you can play on your Android mobile and iOS or Play Store or App Store. There are the regular apps are available on Windows Store. You can use for that, or you can install them there. Original site you can download and install Google Chrome, other apps. You can play some games like Subway Surfers, Angry Birds, or Android. Now this is their notice license term. You have to accept. And again, getting a few things ready. I think it's detecting the hardware and the software version of my laptop. It's running on a Windows 10 for creature update and it's a 32-bit Windows I have installed on my laptop. I have installed many times. Just this is a around 4 GB of size ISO this image file. You can mount on it, just make a CD or you can just make a flash drive. You need a 8 GB or 8 GB pen drive or memory card for to make this black stall. if you want to make a flash drive, or otherwise you have to update. You don't need a flash drive, you can update manually running setup on your PC if you are already running on Windows old version, not latest 10 fall creature update, or in old version. You can update by using this way, but there no operating system installed in your PC. So you have to install the Windows 10 newly, and you want to free, so you have to make a flight. You can make by using this your mobile. Go to Windows 10 Microsoft Office, Microsoft official site, and download 4 GB of that ISO file and use it, and just extract it using by ES File Explorer or a 7J archiver or GPU, where you can extract and make an installation by using your Android mobile also. The same way, same process. This is a upgrade this PC now. You can upgrade or create installation media such as a DVD ISO for another PC, other PCs you have to use. Okay, this is the language and the edition of Windows, and this is the architecture. This is my PC architecture, so showing that if your PC have done architecture, this click. Yeah, now I'm changing Windows 10, language United Kingdom to United States, architecture 32-bit, 64-bit, or you can download both ISO files. For both ISO files we need a 16 GB pen drive free, or it will be formatted to make a flash drive. This is the notice. My 30-bit operating system and only 64-bit, so comes to check which I want to USB flash drive. You can make a pen drive, memory card, or other CD, but I want to download ISO file, so I can use everywhere. It's a very easy, and I accept. Okay, ISO file downloading. Where do you have to choose your folder? There then I don't download for I have already downloaded this file. You can see here Windows 10, and by renaming I can download it again, but I have already, so I am cancelling. I don't want to download this file again, so I cancel. I already downloaded. You can see upward there Windows. This is a 4.0.5 GB file, I think. Okay. Yes, so I cancel it. I have already downloaded that file. Going to my computer, going to where I downloaded that disk image. I'm showing you in download, and here is a Windows 10 64-bit disk image which I download. You can see there. You can update from here. Double click on that. You can take this menu and you can double click on setup. You are ready to update your Windows. If you have already running on Windows, you can update in this way by running that software. And this is a open in again new drive, CD drive on your Windows. So I have to eject. I am going to show how to extract that file, and you can use that file in another PC to install Windows 10. Okay, so I cancel it. Going to where I extracted both files. This is the Windows 34 file. So I ejecting that CD drive. This is that CD drive. Open it when I double click on ISO file. So I am ejecting that. In this way you can update only Windows 10, but if you have to install new Windows, you have to make a pen drive and you have to USB connect to USB port. This is Windows 64-bit which I extracted. 64-bit, and this is 32-bit Windows. This is download that ISO file which I extracted there. Okay. To extract, you have to right click, and you can mount, make a CD, or you can extract file, or extract files. And when you extract file, you have to choose where you want to extract. You can use memory card or pen drive to make installation media. like a pen drive or just using memory card USB drive. This is now 32-bit. This is 64-bit. This is 64-bit. I extracted using WinRAR. You can. This is not running because my operating system is 32-bit and the application was 64-bit. My laptop only support 32-bit. This is 32-bit, which I also extracted for my PC, so I can install Fresh Windows anytime on my PC. Thanks, and thanks for watching. In this way you can use